On this short tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to fix TikTok filter or effect problem. If you have any problem with any specific filter on TikTok app, this video is gonna help you a lot. So first thing, open the settings on your phone, go open the apps manager. On this page you will find many apps. As you can see, just scroll until you find TikTok, click on it, and then click on this option, and after that you have to click on the storage, click on clear data and click on delete. Go back, click on the power usage details, click on the app launch, and then turn off this option and go to those options here, disable them and enable them back again. Click OK, and then click on the home page, and last thing, go to the Play Store, search for TikTok and update it. Don't forget to like, subscribe.